Students, yesterday we have studied the introduction and laws of components. Today we will discuss exercise 2a. So the first question is evaluate. First is 9 to the power 0. You need to find out the value of 9 to the power 0. In the law of exponents, I have already told you that whatever the number is, if the power is 0, the value will be 1. Whatever the number is, suppose any number you are having 1 2 3, even you if you are having 100, if the power is 0, the value will always be 1. So here also 9 to the power 0, so the value will be 1, mean 1 is your answer. Second question is 395.008 to the power 0. Here also don't see what is the value. If the power is 0, you direct write the answer 1. Here the power is 0, so the answer will be 1. Next is 1 upon a to the power 0 plus b to the power 0 plus c to the power 0. In this question, first of all, a to the power 0 means the value will be 1, then plus. B to the power 0 means the value will be 1, then plus. C to the power 0 means the value will be 1 is equal to 1 upon this 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 3. 1 by 3 is your answer. Next question, H. The remaining questions will be your homework. Question number H is 35 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0. In the place of this, we can write 1 plus. Why? Because the power is 0. 2 to the power 0 means 1 plus 3 to the power 0 means 1. Again, this is divide and then 3. So, according to the BODMAS rule, first solve the bracket. This will give you 3. Then again divide 3. And 3 divide 3 will always give you 1. So, this was your solution. Next question is simplifying the answer as fraction. Fraction means you need to write your answer in the form of a fraction, numerator upon denominator. So the first question is 6 to the power minus 1. You have already studied the law of the components. If it is written, suppose p to the power minus m, this will be equal to, here the denominator is 1. When you will write 1 upon p, means in the place of the numerator, if you will write the denominator, or you will, when you will this reciprocal this will become plus. Suppose you are having p to the power minus m, here the denominator is 1. So for converting this minus m into plus m, what you will do? Just change their place, 1 by p, and this will convert into a plus sign. In the similar way, here it is written 6 to the power minus 1. What is the denominator of 6 here? Here the denominator of 6 is 1. We can write it like this. So just change their places, mean 1 by 6, and this minus 1 will convert into plus, and 6 to the power 1, the value will be 6 only. The value of 6 to the power 1, the value is 6. So your answer is 1 by 6. Next is 4 to the power minus 3. If it is written 4 to the power minus 3, the denominator is here 1. So just apply the same rule, change their places, means denominator, you write the denominator in the place of numerator and numerator in the place of denominator, means 1 by 4, and this will convert into plus, means 3. And now this 4 to the power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4, which will equal to 64. That means 1 by 64 here. This is your answer. First of all, why we have written this 1 by 64? Because we want our answer as a fraction. Here 4 to the power minus 3, first convert this minus 3 into plus sign. How you will convert? Write the denominator in the place of numerator and numerator in the place of denominator. You will get 1 by 4 to the power 3, and when you will open this 4 into 4 into 4 3 times, it will give you 64, which is your answer. Next is p to the power minus 1. Here the denominator of p is 1 and here it is minus 1. So change their place, 1 by p, and p to the power 1 means p only. So this is your answer. Next is 10a whole to the power minus 2. So first of all, convert this minus 2 into plus. How? Write 1 upon 10a to the power 2. Okay. Now you have studied one property. If suppose p r to the power m is written, what you will write? P to the power m and r to the power m. This power will go on both the numbers. Learn all the law of components. So in the same way, here 1 upon 10a whole square means first of all you do 10 square and then you do a square. 10 square will give you 100, means 10 into 10, and a square will be as it is a square. So this is your answer. If it is written 10a whole square, if it is written 10a whole square, this whole square will, this 10 will also be square and this a will also be square. When this 10 will square means 10 into 10, this will give you 100, and when this a will square, a into a, it will give you a square. Next is x plus y to the power minus 2. First of all, convert this minus 2 into plus. 1 upon x plus y square. This is your answer. If you want to expand this, you can also expand with the formula of a plus b whole square, but this will also be correct. Next question is find the reciprocal of the following. Reciprocal means opposite. 3 to the power minus 2. First, convert the minus 2, convert the negative power into positive power. So what is the denominator here? 3 to the power minus 2. The denominator is 1. So how you will convert this minus 2 into plus? Change their place. 1 by 3. And this will be plus. And 3 square will give you 9. 3 into 3 will give you 9. This is your answer. Next question is 2 by 5 whole power 3. 2 by 5 whole power 3. If the power is whole, this power will go here also and this power will go here. Like that in the multiplication, if pr to the power m is written, we write p to the power m into r to the power m. This power will go on both. Like that in the divide also. If it is written in the divide, p by q to the power m. This is a law of component. So this can be written as p to the power m and q to the power m. In the same way here, we write 2 by 5 whole 3. Means first we write 2 power 3 upon 5 power 3. 2 power cube means 2 into 2 into 2, which will equal to 8. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. This will equal to 125, and this is your answer. Fourth question is simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Positive exponent means you need to write the following question into the fraction method, means numerator upon denominator, and positive exponents means the power should be plus. The power should be positive. So the first question is, first of all, convert this minus 4 into plus 4. How you will convert? Just simply write 1 upon minus 2 and the power will be 4. Then multiply. Again this change minus 6 into plus 6. How you will write? 1 upon minus 2 will be as it is. Why? Because when we reciprocal the numerator and denominator, their power will also be convert. Means negative to positive. But this is the negative sign with 2. So this will not be convert into positive. Remember, students, remember this. When you are converting this 1 upon means denominator in the place of numerator and numerator in the place of denominator, the powers are only changing. The powers are only converting into plus sign. But this is minus is with the 2. So this will be as it is, minus 2. But the power will become positive. In the same way here also minus 2 will be as it is. And what is the power? The power is minus 6. Minus 6 will become plus into 1 upon minus 2 to the power 6. Now here minus 1 will be as it is. Now if the base are same, the power will be added. This is a law of component. Here base are same, minus 2, so the power will be added, means minus 2, and 4 plus 6 will give you 10. This is your answer. Here base are same, minus 2 and minus 2, so the power will be added, and 4 plus 6 will give you 10. This is your answer. Next is 3 to the power 7 into 3 by 5 to the whole minus 7. It is like that, 3 to the power 7 into 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 7. So first of all convert this minus into plus. This 3 to the power 7 will be as it is into. This will become reciprocal, 5 by 3 to the power 7. Now this 3 by 7 we can write like this, and this 7 will go here also, and this 7 will go here also, means 5 to the power 7 and upon 3 to the power 7. This can be written as 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7 and upon 3 to the power 7, and this can be cancel and will give you 5 to the power 7, which is your answer. Next question is this: 4 to the power minus 8 divide 4 to the power minus 10 in one bracket multiply 4 to the power minus 5. First of all solve the bracket according to Bodmer's rule. When you will solve the bracket, here you can see the base are same. If the base are same and the sign is a divide, so the power will be subtract. If the base are same, 4 to the power minus 8 divide 4 to the power minus 10. Here base are same, 4 and 4, and the sign is divide. So the power will be subtract, means 4 to the power minus 8 minus and minus 10 will be as it is. How you will solve this? 4 to the power minus 8 minus then minus 10. 4 to the power minus 8 will be as it is. This minus multiplication will become plus and then 10. 4. This plus minus will always minus. 10 minus 8 give you 2. And why I am writing positive sign? Because 10 is greater than 8 and the sign of 10 is plus. That's why I am taking here 2 with the sign of plus. So no need to write here plus. It is understood. Let's understand again. 4 to the power minus 8 minus. Why we are subtracting? Because base is same and the sign is divide. So the power will be subtracted. That's why I am here subtracting. Now this minus sign will be plus and then 10 will be as it is. Plus minus will always be minus. So 10 minus 8 will give you 2. Why here I am taking this 2 as positive? Because 10 is greater than 8 and the sign of 10 is positive. That's why I am taking 2 as a positive. Now 4 to the power 2 is the value of the bracket only. Outside of the bracket it is remaining 4 to the power minus 5. Here also the base is same, but the sign is multiply. Remember this, the sign is multiply, so the power will be added. 4, 2 plus in bracket minus 5. This will give you what? 4. 2 plus minus will always be minus. Plus minus will be minus. 3. Minus 3. Why? Because 5 is greater than 2 and 5 is with the negative sign. So 4 to the power 3. But we want a positive exponent. How you will convert this 3 into plus? Write 1 upon 4 to the power 3. This is your answer. So that's all for today. The remaining questions we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.